Hello guys! It is Monday today and a very exciting day. I'm going to look at a new car, maybe buy it, I don't know. So I've cleaned up my old car in case they want to part exchange it. But yeah, I've had this car for quite a few years now and it's done quite a few miles and I'd like a new one. So yeah, exciting. We shall see how it goes. Hi guys, so very exciting news. I bought the car. I am so excited and so happy. I didn't buy it on the day that you just saw. I went to go and see it and they wanted too much money for it, more than I wanted to pay. So I didn't buy it then, and then I spoke to the people on the phone the following day, and then we got to a price that was much better, and so I agreed to buy it, and then I went back later that week and went in to pick it up. Now I've not this is obviously like several weeks later and I'm putting this in this video out of time, but I've wanted to wait for a nice day when the car's all nice and clean so that I can show it to you guys. It is, I've not even told you what it is yet. It's a Volkswagen Passat CC and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. But that's enough of me talking and wittering on. Let's just have a look and an appreciation of how gorgeous this car is. Kayleigh, what day is it today?
It's not my birthday.
No.
It's my birthday party.
How old are you?
20. Hi guys.
No, I don't want to be
This is Mike's vlog, but this Mike doesn't want to be in it.
I can't handle it.
I'll show you everybody else. Oh, it's not working. This is Jay. This is Lauren. This is Tanisha. This is Katie. This is my brother. Do we look the same? This is Edward. And then this is Anna and Edward. No, you're not Edward. You're Jason. And Mike.
I'll leave you guys.
Where's Mike Wilkins gone?
You do know you're filming this all in the wrong angle. It needs to be a landscape.
Yeah, but look how good my eyelashes look.
Well, that, I mean, fair.
You can just flip it. Just. I'm now 20. I'm supposed to be a responsible adult. Am I? No, I am not. Goodbye, vlog. Goodbye from your favourite person. You don't actually like watching him, you just like watching me. Let's be honest.
Hello, it is halfway through the evening now, and look at the state in which Kayleigh is. You're in the vlog right now. Do you want to say hello? The evening's going really well so far.
Look at my outfit.
You're taking your pigtails out.
They were like this. Hippie love something, look.
Hi guys, it is now much later in the evening. Kayleigh is dead, everyone has left, and Mike and Jay have come to the pub.
I don't want your 6 viewers seeing me like this.
I mean, to be fair, it's quite dark right now because you're quite backlit and no one can see. But Jay is quite drunk. This is Mike from Wales.
I'm quite drunk as it is. Like, I'm pretty hammered.
It's also really dark. This is Mike.
I'm quite
from
drunk
Wales.
as it is. I'm hammered. But
This will never make it onto the vlog.
like no, because
It definitely will.
no. We've met Jay on the vlog before, have we not?
Yes, we have, many a times. We've not met Mike yet. It's another Mike. 2 Mikes in one video.
I've always been told that Mike is the most handsome name.
I agree.
There we go.
I disagree strongly.
Jay is the worst.
But
I'm literally an alphabet.
Me and Mike are both quite drunk right now.
Mike
but
and I.
Jay,
Just because you're drunk, don't lose your grammar.
Jay is a different level of drunk.
Jay never gets like this, ever. And it's just wonderful to see. That squeaky noise that he's making is my favourite noise. It really is.
I've known Jay for a long time, and I've not seen him this bad. This is incredible.
Stop laughing! You know Uncle Albert in Mary Poppins? That is the level that he's got to right now. It's just incontrollable.
It literally is. Why you're not raising to the ceiling is beyond me. Like,
Oh, Jay, it's actual tears. It's gonna be such a good vlog feature. Oh no! Oh god, bye guys. Stop filming! We just ordered food. And it's arrived. Jay put rice all over the floor. And now it's hoovering it up.
Oh no, it's horrible. For fuck's sake, man.
He's blocked the hoover with rice.
I actually have.
Look at all the rice on
That properly rancid.
Oh, so much food. I'm so hungry. Kayleigh's conscious. She lived. She made it.
I smelled the food and I woke up.
this is one of the funniest things I've ever seen.
It's falling back out. I'm literally making more mess than I'm making.
I only managed to take one contact lens out, and one of my eyes is burning,
Who the fuck
and I
was rice in a kebab,
absolutely
man?
have an eye infection. Jay's having a mare with his rice.
I don't know why is there even rice included?
I think I puked on the carpet last night. Just tonight.
Right, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna think of a solution.
She did. We didn't ask for rice.
Where's my fork?
They've sent us 4 pots of
Who the fuck has rice with a chicken
Did
kebab,
you
man?
film me when I
There's
was on
so
lunch?
much grease
Maybe.
and misery.
Michael!
No,
That's
not right.
mixed with all kinds of shit.
Yeah, all this fucking
Mixed
rice.
Why
I
is
had to sleep in.
since when does rice come with a
I had to
kebab?
sleep in this shit, man. All this rice. That's my fucking bedding, man. Come on. The fucking
This is
bedding.
my room. This is my room, and it's covered in. Oh fuck! It's covered in rice. I'm gonna go to bed now. Bye.
It's probably for the best.
Drink responsibly.
Yeah, don't do what I did.
What did you do, Kayleigh?
My brother fed me cocktails.
Fed you.
And, I mean, fed me. And it
There's
made me a
more
bit
than
ill.
rice on this floor. What the fuck is that?
Where is my brother?
That's the tree.
That's a Christmas tree.
The sofa.
Is he passed out?
Oh, well, no.
We got ours a good. Woo!
This is the worst kebab I've ever had in my life.
I would
This
agree.
is fucking shocking, man.
I'm quite disappointed. I mean, it is 3 a.m. kebab.
The chicken is not so bad, but why is this so
The
much
rice.
rice? What is
got
with
a-
I've
rice?
just got to
I've
say.
Jay, what is
Are
that?
It's a meat chunk of unknown origin.
It's a fucking sausage, man. Come on. What's it taste like? Is it nice?
I literally don't know.
Are you guys not proud of my commitment to food? I smelled food and I woke
I
up
love that, Kayleigh.
Yeah.
You literally woke up and just sniffed
from the dead because I could smell chips.
of rice and garlic sauce.
Bye. Good morning. I don't know if you can see Kayleigh in this. It's also a really bad angle for me, but it's still fine. I just.
Hi vlog. It's your favourite person here.
I'm being suffocated on camera.
So They'll never
Oh,
know.
did you have a good birthday, Kayleigh?
Yes, I did. I did.
Good. We had
After I got all the alcohol out my system.
by throwing it up in the doorway of our living room.
I didn't mean to. There was somebody peeing.
Yeah, I had to clear it all up. That was fun, and Kayleigh's brother helped too, which was good.
Yeah, thanks for that, lads.
But yeah, it was a good evening. Now we're going to go to Paula's Cafe for a bit of brekkie.
I need some bacon. Definitely don't want egg. Not a single part of me wants egg in me.
Such a weird thing to say. Hello guys, I'm now phoning. I'm filming on my new phone.
Edit.
That is live. Oh, it's so sad. This is my new phone and I'm now vlogging with it. It's meant to have a better camera than my last one, so hopefully you can notice the difference. This is the gruesome threesome that are left after the party last night.
Hey.
Don't they all look enthralled with life?
I'm contemplating death.
I need bacon.
What a great addition to that was. We're now going to go to Paula's Cafe and get bacon. I was just excited to film with my new phone. How are you feeling, Kayleigh?
Good now. I've got a lot of food in me to absorb the alcohol.
We've just been to Paula's Cafe to have breakfast and it's all gone. We've just driven up to Beachy Head just because we've got a Saturday and we wanted to do something, but this is the view right now. Literally it's just misty and you can just see down here. Oh, it's really dodgy.
Oh my god.
You can't see anything. It's like a massive abyss.
If you fell off here, you'd have time to think about how poor your life was going in that moment before you were dead.
Oh, that would be horrible. I do not want to fall. Stay away from the edge.
That's
Mike's-
horrific. That
This
is...
is as close as Mike will get.
I didn't think I was scared of heights until just now.
There's a really tall
Lighthouse.
down there. Can't
Yeah.
see it.
You can't even kind of see it.
We should go up to the top because it gets
So
thick a bit.
cool. Love it.